Today I'm working on a 2014 BMW X5. This one was a tow-in, no start, just has a long crank. The faults I have stored, it had actually more faults than this, but these are the faults that return right away. It's the relay ignition and injection system activation line disconnection fault, which I've seen before in the past, and it also has some wastegate related faults stored. So kind of strange. In here, I guess this is something that happens on these. There's a little jumper wire. You can just pull this trim out of the way. It just unsnaps pretty easily. There's this little jumper wire on this connector, and it corrodes. It just rubbed right through, as you can see right there. So fixing this little jumper wire should do the trick. So something to check. Pretty easy to get to. It's a kind of a strange thing. You won't find much about it on any of our data sources that we use on AllData or anything like that. But yeah, so easy fix. Something to look for if your X5 won't start. Thanks for watching.